we went to the secondhand store, and you can see we've even left the price tags on stuff, and we bought everything we could find that looked like a wedge or looked like a lever. So what I want you to do is look at the different things on the table and tell me how you would use it like a wedge, how you would use it like a lever. Okay, and some of them are wedges, some of them are levers, some of them are both. Some of them are both. So now tell me what you see.
Well, I'm going to say with the paddle.
Ooh, paddle. Yeah, tell me.
So, like, if you're out canoeing, you could be like, so leverage. So you would use,
Ooh, yeah.
like this.
Maybe
'cause
hold your
you
hand
wouldn't
fixed
be-
here.
Yeah.
If you hold your hand fixed here, and then what do you do with this end?
So you would have to put it over here.
Okay.
Because in order for you to have more leverage to move you faster through the water, you can't have it like this.
Oh, no, that's
Because
bad.
then you're going like this.
Right.
And you kind of need it to go like this.
You want to go like that. And so I think, so you could say, you're going to hold it all the way out here, and then you're going to get big force at the end of the paddle because you're putting a small force all the way out here. Whereas if I do this,
Then it's not going to do much.
Yeah.
I'm not able to get very much force. You can actually feel it. Try it like that. Hold it here. Okay. Or actually, I'll hold it. I'll do the pivot for you. Go ahead and wiggle that end back and forth. That's pretty hard.
I don't have much control over here.
Now, how about this?
Then
Try
over
that.
here, I have a lot more control.
A lot more control, and you're getting a lot more force here at the end of the paddle. If I push
Yeah.
against you, go ahead and push. Okay. And
And
now,
if I have it up
right here. Oh yeah. And so
really
it is. The
difficult.
paddle's a lever. Paddle's a lever. Cool. Mackenzie, your turn. Give me a wedge or give me a lever.
Let's see here. Well, I'm gonna take. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
What is
yes.
this? This is a
It's actually a splitting wedge.
splitting wedge. Well, it kind of says it in the name, so it's a wedge. What I think what you would do is you would hit it. You'd balance it in between two things that you want to break apart.
And you know what you balance it on? A log. And if you push this into the log and drive it in, what happens to the log?
It's gonna split apart.
That's
Yep.
it. And so it's a wedge, and it's got the thin edge of the wedge here, and you just push it in, and as it does that, splits the log apart.
Yep. With
Excellent.
Small distance.
Exactly.
it'll split
Because
apart
you
with.
moved it this far, but you only split it this far. So you get a much more force for the splitting. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, what else? Taylor, your turn. Give me a wedge or give me a lever.
Scissors.
Scissors.
'Cause I love scissors.
Oh gosh. Who doesn't?
Scissors are awesome.
Oh yeah.
So, I think this would be a lever because if it were,
Let's think about it. You've got a pivot right here.
well, yeah.
On the scissors, I've got a pivot point right there. Okay.
So, in order for you, so like if you held it right there, it would be easier for me to hold it like this.
Because you're at a big distance.
Yes.
Oh, and if I put something
If
there
I
to
were-
cut it, suppose I was going to ask you to cut a toothpick, but you can cut a toothpick with scissors.
Yeah.
Go and open them up. Where should I put the toothpick? Should I put it out here?
No. You should put it in toward the pivot because it's less distance.
Less
so
distance.
It has more leverage.
More lever. You're going to get more force on the toothpick. Go ahead and snip. Oh yeah.
Really
Oh, yeah.
easy.
Oh yeah. And so you
Wow.
can. And what you've done is you've just made the distance small. And if you try to do it out here,
They won't even cut it.
won't even cut it. Oh, there you go. There, now you got it. Now you got it. But it's a lot more. You have to push a lot harder.
Yeah.
Whereas if I get it in here, you get the small distance. You're going to get the bigger force.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. The reason for showing you all this was because we want you to look for these ideas of levers and wedges and things like that. So many things in the kitchen, so many things in life around you are basically levers and wedges.